All right, hey, welcome back in. Plenty of cloud cover overhead for us right now. Not much, though, in the way of storms. After what was a very busy start to the day, things have toned down quite a bit, and I expect our evening to stay that way. As a line of showers is developing, there's a few thunderstorms in far eastern Kentucky. We really don't anticipate to see a whole lot more for you tonight. Now, we will be watching this line. There's enough juice in the atmosphere to at least get some storms up and running, but we're missing a couple more things that we need to really get them to be able to take off and get towards the severe level. I think we're pretty much going to avoid it tonight. We don't have a lot of good lift and we don't have a lot of spinning, which we need to sustain at least some good thunderstorm activity. Now, these could likely just be very heavy rainfall makers and slow movers at that, so there's still a flood watch in play until 11 p.m. for eastern Kentucky tonight, as some heavier shower opportunities exist. Now, if you look at what happened earlier today, plenty of areas, there was reports of 2 to 3 to 4 inches of rainfall again within a couple of hours. That led to the flash flooding early, but southern and eastern Kentucky did not tap into much of that. Once again, storms died off before they made it into southern Kentucky. We're trying to get some new activity to develop, and right now you see our severe threats well to the east at this point and to the south, and filling in behind that is just some of these spotty rain chances behind the front. Not a lot of lift to get things going. Futurecast shows us here that while there's some of that development that it's starting to try to pick up on, it really just has a couple of scattered thunderstorms in the mix. It wants to put it into a little bit better of a line in eastern Kentucky, closer to 11 p.m. or even midnight, but even by then we probably won't have enough juice left to get anything to be strong to severe. We are going to see a couple lingering spotty chances early tomorrow morning, and then we clear out into the sunshine. Behind this cold front is going to be more pleasant weather. Dew points for at least 2 days down in the pleasant category where you're not going to really notice them, but they will go back towards muggy and oppressive as we go towards the weekend and into next week, and temperatures are going to spike then too. Until then, we're going to float near or just below average. You can see the high temps are going to be in the 80s much of this week, lows in the 60s. Wednesday morning will be cool and comfortable, but as that humidity spikes again, so do the temperatures, and you'll notice a big difference towards Thursday and beyond. And that's where we're going to have the next big thing. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, scattered showers and thunderstorms increase for us, and as they do, we could see a couple more rounds, maybe strong to severe thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and maybe some of that flooding concern coming back into the forecast for us on a localized level from late Thursday night through Saturday morning. Maybe the heaviest even coming in for us on Saturday morning once again. But timing of this still up in the air, and it's something to watch as we roll through this week. Outside of that, the 7-day forecast looks pretty good with those comfortable temps. We're going to be tracking some very toasty temperatures by next week.